Yes, sir. If you watching, drop in the comments. I'm a master of my abilities. Y'all see this, man? Got boss man. He putting it down. So y'all don't know this Tucci wheel right here, man. They go on the Lorenzo Benzo. You know what I'm saying? On the red demonstration, man. Putting it all back together. So this the new barrel.
Yeah.
So he be able to come outside for Stunner Jam.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Yes, sir. So now the process to this is it hard? You know what I'm saying? Is it tedious? Do you like doing it?
Yeah.
You like doing it?
Yeah.
Now is the gasket going between there?
No.
Oh, okay.
There's a whole bunch of screws.
A whole bunch of screws and cleaning.
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all see what time it is, man. Yes, sir. And you only gonna get it done right here. Y'all see I'm at work, but I gotta sit here and watch, man. You know what I'm saying? Gotta sit here and watch, man. Spin this camera around though, let y'all check out. So a lot of my know-hows, of course, like that, comes from, you know, genetically and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Your family members and stuff like that. But the place that really took me to a whole nother level, I'm gonna share that with y'all, was this place right here, man. And y'all see today I do have my shirt on. You know what I'm saying? We was only supposed to wear this shirt on certain days, and today I'm picking my day. I am a graduate. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see me, we outside with it. That's where a lot of the stuff comes from, man. The perfection of Fly Roy, you know what I'm saying, on what I do. You know what I'm saying? It comes from this place. And I gotta give homage to him. It's only right. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get right back to Tucci Wheel, because Boss Man almost putting it together, man. I see you still got the plastic on there, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Also, if you need a wheel done, you need a rim repair. If you want to do some new wheels, if you want to upgrade, if you want to go from ashy to classy, if you want to go from no lips to big lips, you know what I'm saying? This is the place to come, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stay tuned. Tell them the address again, Boss Man. I know it's 40 what?
4707.
4707 Todd Street, you know what I'm saying? And also across the street, you can come over here and get all the way right. So you can come over here and pick your rims and bolt up, and you can also go across the street and get you some new shots. You know what I'm saying? You want to leave out with some flow masters or something, you go across the street and make that situation happen too, man. But y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Let's get it, and we gonna get to it. Yes, sir. No, I know, not Ivy Tech. UTI, Universal Technical Institute. You know what I'm saying? Technical Institute. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. No. No. I can work this. I got the scars to prove it. I got the headaches. You know what I'm saying? Had some of my gray hairs I got here. That's cool. One thing they did have was cool though, like certain days they had we had car shows and stuff. And back then I had a Benz S-Class, man. Real nice. You know, the 98 version?
Yeah.
Yeah, with the bulletproof glass behind that. Yeah, that's what I was. They those some 2-piece. I think they was some Shanties. You know what I'm saying? But they was a 1-piece wheel.
Yeah.
But it was an offset on the barrel, on the front. It was like the BBS look.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you a picture one day, because I ended up at the end I painted the rims gold. It was all black.
Can we?
Oh boy. So how long does a process like this, something like this, take if somebody was to drop their rim off?
Once we got everything, 24 hours. So
Okay.
Fuel can cure.
Okay, y'all hear that? He said once he have everything, it takes 24 hours. So the what can cure?
The seal.
The seal can cure. Yeah, sir. So you gotta let it sit basically once you tighten everything down.
Tighten everything down, seal it up, and wait 24 hours.
Okay. Now what's the torque spec?
Into technical.
Oh boy, he don't want to let y'all know that. That's something that y'all gotta pay for. Y'all gotta pay for the torque spec. But I will let y'all see him put it together. Y'all see y'all going in the sync with? Yes, sir. That's a lot of bolts.
40.
Damn, 40 bolts? Wow. Y'all see what time it is. I'll drop some in the comments, man. Let me know what the steering wheel, what kind of steering wheel is this? It's the question of the day. What kind of steering wheel is this? You know what I'm saying? If y'all can guess that, man, it might be a surprise for you if y'all can guess what kind of steering wheel this is. I'm gonna turn it around and let y'all see the front. If y'all can tell me what kind of steering wheel this is, drop something in the comments. I'm gonna give y'all a hint. Say right there. You hear what they see, what they say right there. There it go right there. So drop something in the comments, man. And let me know what kind of steering wheel this is. Let's get it. Oh, make sure y'all tap in. September 30th, Dub City, the one and only car show, man. Gonna be a lit. It's gonna be a lit. Might wanna come through. Bring your Chevelle.
1 hour later.
So my homie then took me across the street. They supposed to have legendary tortas, tacos, and everything right here, man. It's real nice in here. You sit at this little counter, and I'm gonna spin this camera on and let y'all check it out, man. We're gonna see what it do, man. We're gonna give them a full review also on the channel today, man.
Right.
What's this called? What's the place called?
La Mexicana.
La Mexicana.
In East Chicago, Indiana.
In East Chicago, Indiana. La Mexicana, man. We're gonna see what the tacos about. My man finna get a torta. He said it's off the chain.
Best gorditas in town.
Yeah. So we're gonna check it out.
Es de chicharrón, vato, pequeño.
I'll see what time it is, man. Yes, sir. Let's see what it do. Yeah. Y'all see what it is, man. All I can say, y'all better tap in, man. Look at that. Now look, he over there, he done demolished his, man. My cousin done demolished his, man. This is where you come to get this right here, man. And I'm definitely gonna come back and I'm gonna let y'all know what it do, because we're gonna give him a review. Let's get it. Yes, sir. And by the way, don't come up here like I did and ask for beef, because you're not gonna get it. Y'all see, I'm completely out of my glasses. I took my hat off. All I can say, man, come over here and get you a bar of this. Come over here and check it out, get you some, man. And I ain't just talking. Real authentic food, tastes fantastic, man, and wonderful service, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Check this out. See, man, we done got to that demonstration, man. Yes, sir.
The next day.